G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see you all again. Today we're going to talk about reclaiming and recycling materials. I've got an entire stack here and another 5 pallets coming of reclaimed bricks. I can't stress enough, if we've got materials that we can already use, then let's already use them. It doesn't really cost any extra. If anything, it's a little bit cheaper for us to get these products so that we can reuse them. The only problem is that we need to make sure that they're structurally stable, that we're able to use them on the site. We've got these bricks, we've done a whole heap of homework on them. We got them from Steve's Bricks. Thanks heaps for Stephen's Bricks over in Northcote for getting these for us. Made sure that they were solid clinkers and they were all structurally stable. None of them have any brick cancer or anything like that, and they're all very good, thick, hardy bricks. We're going to use them on our retaining wall. We're also going to use them for our brick piers. We're also going to use them for our reverse brick veneer and feature wall inside. Reclaiming bricks or reclaiming products is one of the best ways I know how to help the environment, reduce the overall embodied energy of doing the build, and making sure that we can have a sustainable future for our family and our kids. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the suit.